Students, I am teaching intermediate functions ma third exercise. Find the domain and range of the following real valued functions ma. First find the domain. Okay, f of x is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x is belongs to real valued function. So 2 plus x by 2 minus x is belongs to R. Okay, so here 2 minus x is not equal to 0. Okay, when it is real valued function, 2 minus x is not equal to 0. Okay, if it is 0, not defined. Okay, so that is here. Minus x is going to happen plus x. So x is not equal to 2. So therefore, domain of f is or not 2 or not 2. Okay, next range. So range, how you can find? Okay, so what is called range? The mapping element by the elements of domain. Okay, the elements of codomains is mapping elements by the codomain domain. Okay, so here let y is belongs to R such that f of x is equal to y. Here what is f of x? 2 plus x by 2 minus x is equal to 1. So this one we can write as 2 plus x is equal to y of 2 minus x. So that is 2 plus x is equal to 2y minus xy. Okay, y into 2, 2y, y into x, xy. Okay, so minus xy comes to happen plus, so x plus xy, 2y minus 2. In this 2 what the common x? That is 1 plus y. In this 2 what the common 2? 2 of y minus 1. So x into 1 plus y minus x is equal to 2 of y minus 1 by 1 plus y. Okay, the x is not defined. When it is not defined, 1 plus y is equal to 0. When it is not defined, 1 plus y is equal to 0, then the x is not defined. Okay, plus 1 is going to happen minus 1. So therefore, the domain of, okay, the range of f is r minus 1 or not minus 1. That is nothing but range of f. Okay, ma? So next one, f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square. It belongs to real valued function. The functions are real valued functions. Okay, so that is here. For all x belongs to R, x square plus 1 is not equal to 0. So that is here, what do you need? X square is not equal to minus 1. So that is x is not equal to square root of minus 1. So x is not equal square root of I root 1. Okay, it is the square root of minus 1 is the what? Complex numbers. Okay, a plus ib. I is the cubic unit. Okay, I square is equal to minus 1. I is equal to square root of minus 1. So here, what is that here? X is not equal to complex numbers. That means x is the what? Real valued function. Okay, x is the what? Real numbers. So therefore, domain of f is R. Here, I is cubic unit. Okay, in complex numbers, I square is equal to minus 1, I is equal to square root of minus 1. Okay, now, so here next range. Okay, if x is not equal to 0, x is not equal to 0, so then f of x is also not equal to 0. So here, let y belongs to R such that f of x is equal to 1. Here, what is the f of x here? X by 1 plus x square is equal to y. So this one you can write as x is equal to y of 1 plus x square. Okay, so here y into 1, y into x square, y x square. So x is equal to y plus y x square. So plus x is going to happen minus. So y x square plus y minus x is equal to 0. Okay, so here you can find the x value. It's a quadratic equation. Okay, how we can find the x value? By using complete square method. So that is here x is equal minus b plus or minus square root of y square minus, okay, oh, x is equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2e. Okay, so this one you can write in arrange in a order. That is y x square minus x plus y is equal to 0. Here a is the y, b is the minus 1, c is the y. Okay, so that is here minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You can find the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so that is here minus of minus 1 plus square root of 1 b square करना minus 1 whole square 1 minus 4 a y c y by 2a, that is 2y. X is equal to minus minus plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4y square by 2y. X is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4y square by 2y. Here y belongs to R such that x is belongs to R. X means what? 1 plus square root of 1 minus 4y square by 2y. Okay, 2y is not equal to 0. 2y is equal to 0, then the function is not defined. Okay, so here square root of 1 minus 4y square. The square root of any value is greater than 0. Okay, y it is a real valued function. Okay, y is belongs to real numbers. Okay, so that is here 1 minus 4y square is greater than or equal to 0. So that is 1 greater than or equal to, okay. So 1 we can write as 1 square, 4y square we can write as 2y whole square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. So that is a square minus b square form is what? A plus b of a minus b. Okay. So 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0. So that is here 1 plus 2y greater than or equal to 0 or 1 minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, plus 1 is going to happen minus 1, 2y is less than or equal to minus 1. Okay, y is less than or equal to 1 by 2. Here, so this one is written as 2y less than or equal to 1, y is less than or equal to 1 by 2. Y is less than or equal to 1 by 2. Here y less than minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this one here y is belongs to close interval minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. So range of is minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. F of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. It is belongs to or, okay, why? The functions are real valued functions. That means the function values are real numbers. Okay. Okay. So here square root of any value is greater than or equal to 0. So that is here 9 minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. 9 how we can write? B square minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Here it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b of a minus b. So that is here 3 plus x into 3 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. So that is here 3 plus x is greater than or equal to 0 or 3 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so plus 3 is going to happen minus x less than or equal to minus 3. Here 3 minus x is going to happen plus. So this one we can write as x less than or equal to minus 3 or here x less than or equal to 3. So here the function is x belongs to open interval minus 3 3. Open interval minus 3 3. Okay. Next, let y belongs to R such that f of x is equal to y. So here f of x is the what? Square root of 9 minus x square is equal to y. So square, okay, here 9 minus x square is equal to y square square on both sides. So next, here y square plus x square, 9 minus y square is equal to x square. square root of 9 minus y square is equal to x. Okay, so here the values of 9 minus y square is, what are there here? Y belongs to, it is a greater than or equal to 0, no? That's why the values are 0, comma 3. Y belongs to, or okay, square root of 9 minus y square, this values is 0, comma 3. Okay, so here f of x is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. So that is here square root of 9 minus, in the place of x you can write as 9 square root of 9 minus y square. That is, we can get as 9 minus y square. Okay, so minus into 9, minus 9, minus minus plus 1. So that is here 9 minus 9 minus y square plus 9 minus 9 cancel. Okay, square root of y square, how much more? Y. So therefore f of x is equal to y. So therefore range is y belongs to 0, comma 3. Next one. Find the domains of the following real valued functions. F of x is equal to 1 by x square minus 1 into x plus 3. So it is belongs to real valued functions. Okay, that means the denominator is not equal to 0. If it is 0, the function is not defined. Okay, so x square minus 1, x plus 3 is not equal to 0. So that is here x square minus 1 is not equal to 0, x plus 3 is not equal to 0. So x square minus 1, how we can write? X square minus 1 square is not equal to 0. 1 square value is how much? 1. Okay, so here plus 3 is going to set out minus 3. So that is here x plus 1 into x minus 1 is not equal to 0. So this one you can write again, x plus 1 is not equal to 0, x minus 1 is not equal to 0, x is not equal to minus 3. So that is here plus 1 is going to set out minus 1. So what the domain here? X is belongs to or not equal to minus 1, 1, 3.